Hello people, welcome to Code Framer. In this video, we are going to look at installation steps of Python. Later we will also try to understand about the Python virtual environment and its significance. Be ready to take your notes. It is going to be extremely informative. Do hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for upcoming videos. Without wasting any more time, let us begin. Sit back and enjoy. First we need to get the Python installation steps out of our way. It can be installed in different operating systems like Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. For Android and iOS, you can use many applications. Just search for a Python terminal in Play Store or App Store. You will get a lot of options. Using these mobile applications, you can execute any block of code on the go. You don't have to be in front of your laptop or PC to test a new idea. As far as the Linux operating system is concerned, it is usually pre-installed with Python. So the installation steps for Linux is not covered in this video to save time. Installation steps for Windows. Open your favorite browser and navigate to python.org URL. Click the download menu item. Download the latest version for Windows by clicking the Python Download 3.8.3 button. At the time of creation of this tutorial, Python 3.8.3 was the latest. Download the version which is most recent for you. Clicking the button will start the download of the setup file. Once the download is completed, click the setup file and follow the installation steps. Remember to click the checkbox, Add Python version to path. This will automatically add the Python package path to system environment variables. Configuring the environment variable is like telling the operating system that Python is installed in your environment, so next time when I give the command Python in the terminal, you better recognize it. Now click the Install Now button to start the installation. After the installation is complete, just open the command prompt and give the command Python. If the installation was successful, then you will find the Python terminal opened like this. You can also find the version of Python you have installed. A word of caution here, if you have a 32-bit operating system, then you must install a 32-bit Python installer only, and if you have a 64-bit operating system, then both 32-bit and 64-bit installers will work. For learning purposes, you can go with a 32-bit installer, as it occupies less memory. But for high-end computation and complex application development, I recommend going for a 64-bit installer. For installation of Python in Mac OS, you can follow the Hitchhiker's Guide to Python. I have pasted the link in the description. After successfully installing Python, the first thing you will need is pip. Pip is a Python package manager, which can be used to install or remove software packages. In order to download and install pip, open your command prompt terminal and run the curl command. It will download the getpip Python file into your local system path. Now execute the following command. This will install pip into your Python environment. Python get -pip.py. Check the installation of pip by giving the command pip-v. This will show you the pip version which got installed. In order to upgrade the pip package manager in future, you can use the following commands. For Windows, Python-m, pip install-u, pip. For Linux and Mac OS, pip install-u, pip. Now using the pip command, you can download or remove any Python packages. The installed package will get stored in the side package folder of your virtual environment. The command to install any package is pip install and name of the package. We can also install a specific version of the package with the command pip install, name of package, with the version. We can also upgrade a specific package using the following command pip install -- upgrade, and name of the package. To install a list of packages in your virtual environment, we can list out all the packages with versions, inside a file called requirements.txt. After this file is ready, we can execute the following command pip install -r, requirements.txt. This command will install all the packages, inside the requirements.txt file, into your virtual environment. To list out the software packages that are installed in a Python virtual environment, we can use the command pip freeze. This command will output all the installed packages along with its version. Pip is an extremely important tool, and you will use it quite often, in almost all your Python projects in future. Let us get into the next topic. What is Python virtual environment and its significance? The Python virtual environment is an isolated environment within your operating system for Python. It is extremely important to handle and manage the software package dependencies for a particular project or application. This can be achieved in Python by creating a unique virtual environment for every unique project or application. To give an example, consider that you have created an e-commerce web application, which uses the Django 1.7 version. Later you create a blog web application in your system, with Django 2.1. If both the applications or projects are hosted in the same Python environment, then all the dependencies will collide with each other, and both the applications may crash, with multiple dependency failures. In order to avoid this, a virtual environment can be created for e-commerce applications, for example vCom, and another virtual environment can be created for the blog application, called vblog. By doing this, Django 1.7 will be installed in vCom virtual environment, and Django 2.1 will be installed in vblog virtual environment. All the dependencies now will have no intersection or overlap. Any package, which is installed in a particular virtual environment, will affect only that particular virtual environment. It will have no impact on your system environment, or any other Python virtual environment. Hence, creating the Python virtual environment is the most important step before starting to work on any project. Now let us have a look at how a Python virtual environment is created and activated. Open the command prompt terminal, on the path where you are creating your project. Give the command python-m, venv, test env. In this example, the name of the Python virtual environment is test env, and venv stands for virtual environment. This will create a separate folder in your path, with virtual environment name, and it will download all necessary packages required to run Python inside the environment. In order to activate the Python virtual environment, you need to execute the activate file, residing inside scripts folder in Windows. For Mac OS, the activate file will be residing inside the bin folder. In our example, the command to activate will look like this: \env \scripts \activate. If the name of the virtual environment is visible at the start of the terminal line in a bracket, then you have successfully activated a Python virtual environment. From this point onwards, all the changes that you are making will have no impact on your system environment, or any other virtual environment in your computer. Try to install Python in your system, and also create a virtual environment. This is a very important concept for beginners, as most of the programmers in the beginning of their learning curve create multiple projects without creating a virtual environment, and they end up solving unwanted dependency issues, which is, to be honest, a complete waste of time. I hope this video was helpful for you. In the next video, we will start learning the basics of Python language. Hit the like button, and subscribe to Code Framer, to get instant notifications of our upcoming videos. We are really excited. Enjoy learning.